Hey my beautiful friends, welcome to the start of another vlog. If you don't know who I am, my name is Viennese and we love Jesus, beauty, lifestyle. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and become part of the most beautiful community here on YouTube because you are here. I just received some PR a few days ago and today I was trying to take pictures of it and putting it on my social media to say thank you so much. I'm having an issue with my connection on my phone. It's supposed to connect to a camera.
Cutie pie. Turkey, egg, and cheese? Sausage, egg.
Either, it doesn't matter. It's supposed to connect to an app, and for some reason, my internet is not connecting. But it is a stormy day, and it's raining. It just started raining. So I wonder if that has something to do with it. But, so I did use one of the products that came in the PR, and that's why my face is glowing. I'm like, wow, that looks so good. But yeah, I just woke up. I'm going to try to keep messing with this. We'll probably do some makeup. I've had some issues with foundation. I have bought different foundations and they haven't worked, so I have to return those. And yeah, we're gonna get this day started. Okay, so while I don't have any makeup on, and I want you to see the glow that's on my face, and it came from this package. This is from Pacifica. Thank you so much. Like, so many good things in here. But what I have on today is this right here. And this is their Berry Dewy Barrier Support Serum. And this is what the packaging looks like. It says, for all skin types, you can use in the morning and evening. Apply 1 dropper to clean slightly damp skin. Press gently until the serum disappears, then seal with moisturizer. So I need to seal with moisturizer, but I was like, the glow, I cannot wait to put makeup on. I feel like this would be so good before makeup. They said this weightless juicy gel uses barrier loving ingredients to replenish and protect your skin, leaving it plump, and it feels plump, soft, and healthy. Triple ceramides flood thirsty skin with lasting moisture and reinforce your natural defenses for bounce and dewy radiance. I already see the glow. Like, they also sent me these right here. These are the Pacifica Glowing Makeup Removing Wipes, glycolic acid, orange, and vanilla. I need to get into studying more on what these things are, especially the acid parts, because I'm very minimal when it comes to my skincare. But yeah, so these are makeup wipes. I'm loving the packaging. These colors are so vibrant and so pretty, especially for summer. They sent the Scalp Love. Now, I am interested in this. I have to be so careful with hair products because I tried Pantene shampoo. Never again. It made my scalp itch so bad. It was like on fire, and I never even have that problem. I was like, what is in this stuff? So I'm very particular about what I put in my hair. You guys know that. But they sent this right here. Look how cute that packaging is. This is the Pacifica Scalp Love Rosemary Mint Scalp Serum with rosemary, witch hazel, and sage. And it's for a detox and to loosen up buildup, soothe and hydrate your scalp. So it sounds really, really good. It says you can apply 2 to 4 droppers and massage into scalp, shampoo after use, or you can use it as an overnight treatment. So that's going to be interesting. I'm opening this up. Yeah, it's just a dropper like that, and so you can just easily put that into your hair. I've never used anything like this before. I always love if there is something good that I happen to discover, which isn't often because I don't waver much, but we're gonna try this out. It's like a cozy day. I have my candle going in a slightly stormy day, but yet the sky is still blue, and it feels so good and feels so relaxing. Okay, they also sent the Pacifica Coconut Underarm Deodorant Odor Neutralizing Wipes. I have never used anything like this before. Have you all? I feel like so many new things are coming out, like underarm deodorant wipes. I love how things become innovative, and it sounds like it would be great. It says They're aluminum free, which is wonderful. Help neutralize under your arms and wipe away excess perspiration. These little beauties are your everyday aluminum free solution to stinky. These seem like they would be really good on the go. And then last but not least, thank you so much, Pacifica, for sending me so many goodies. They sent me the Pacifica Coconut Milk Moisturizing Detangler, coconut and vitamin B5, hydrate and rehab for naughty knots. So this is a detangler, and I'm super excited to look into this some more. It says it smells amazing. I love coconut. If you're new here, I talk about coconut a lot. Coconut is one of my favorite scents in a perfume, in a hair product. Shake well, spray on clean, wet hair before combing. Do not rinse. I love if something works, I get to share it with you. Like, we are just all winning over here. But before I go, I do want to show you the issue that I've been having with some of my makeup products. Okay, so I want to show you what's been going on. So I picked this up because I wanted to try this again. This is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. And when I put it on, I liked it. But then I scanned it, and it had something in it that was crazy. And I've been saying the name of the app that I use wrong. I've been saying Yucca, and it's Yucca. Now, as you can see here, if it will focus, it is red, which means bad. That means it has something crazy in it. Butylparaben. And it says, before my phone dies, several studies show it has multiple effects on both reproduction and fertility by affecting hormones, the ovarian cycle of the quantity of viable spermatozoa, and on the development of unborn children. It's also toxic to the liver. It can be found in breast milk and amniotic fluid. Absolutely not. So this will be returned. That's crazy that that would even be in there. Please take that out. And so then I went back to one that I usually like to use, and it's this one, the Maybelline Lumi Matte. It's not perfect, but the ingredients are better. And I got shade 350, thought it would be perfect, but I found out that I'm warmer than I thought. This is very neutral, so it almost made me look a little gray. Anyway, that's wild. I will not be using that. And it doesn't have to be in everything because it's not. So we have to really be careful about what we're using. And I was like, I wear foundation a lot, so I cannot keep that. I first of all don't even want it. As soon as I found that out, I washed my face immediately. And then, no, taking it back. And I have to take the other one back because it's the wrong color. So I've been having a time with the foundation. But wanted to let you know that we gotta look out for each other. So sometimes it's good. You know, sometimes you see a product changes its ingredients and people get upset, but it might be for the best. All right. Okay, so it's a little bit later in the day. I did my makeup and I'm loving how my skin looks. I also used powder foundation only, and it looks so good. So I'm trying to catch the rest of this natural light because I'm trying to catch the rest of this natural light so I can go ahead and do a short on the Pacifica gifting because I appreciate it so much, and I just want to make a short to show, you know, everything that I got for short form. But yeah, I love how this makeup turned out. I did it so fast and it came out good. So let me stop talking here and I'm going to go ahead and do this short. Hey guys, it is a few days later and I have just been on the go, and I'm talking about recording content. I've been doing so many shorts, so many things. I also have on this pimple patch because I have had this pimple for the longest, and today I was like, okay, something needs to be done. But I got a package the other day and it's from Milani. And I opened it and I have to show you what it is because it's so good. So this is what they sent me, this box right here. And when you open it, it's one of the cutest packages I've ever got. This is what it looks like on the inside. Milani Make It Last. And it has all of the setting sprays in here and I'm so excited. So it has the Milani Make It Last Fine Mist, the Moisture Boost, the Original, the Matte, the Dewy, and the Make It Last Sunscreen. It also comes with this cute camera. I have not had one of these in years, and what is so funny is that I'm getting ready to go on a trip tomorrow. And before I even got this package, I said, I want to bring a digital camera because those pictures come out so cute and I want to see how it feels to like not know what you've captured until you develop it. I said this before I got the package. So God is so good. Like, he hears you. Let me take it out so I can show you. How cute is this little camera? Milani, make it last for moments worth holding on to. Oh, I haven't even told you guys, I just celebrated my 14-year wedding anniversary. I said that before, but it's been some days later, so I didn't record on that day. I didn't vlog on that day, but I'll insert some clips. It is our 14-year anniversary.
Yeah.
And
14. I'm gonna have a 14.
he's half a 14.
I'm half a 24.
And Isabel, come here, mama. And here's my other mama. Mama.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Hi.
Happy anniversary to us.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
You're so cute. Happy birthday.
Thank you. I love you.
Oh,
Look at that.
never getting off.
Happy anniversary. I love you all.
Love you, mama. She was my special surprise today. I didn't know she was coming. I love my
I
mama.
love you. That's your mama,
Let's face
baby.
the sun. We're facing the sun. Love my mama. And yeah, it was so much fun. But now we're going on our anniversary trip. We like to go somewhere, and I will be bringing this. And it's going to be so much fun to capture the moment. My hair is growing as we speak. I put a little bit of water in it, and I can just feel it. And I exercised earlier. I can just feel it like getting bigger and bigger. But thank you so much, Milani. Let's read a little bit to what it says. Milani, make it last. Look how cute that is. And it says, made for the stories you carry with you long after they've passed, the ones that don't fade but endure. Make it last, sets all in place so every look stays as fresh and unforgettable as the moment itself. And then it explains each one, and I believe this one right here, this one by Milani, is their new setting mist. And in their book it says weightless mist with even distribution and a soft focus finish, up to 16 hours of waterproof, sweatproof, visibly smooths and blurs with a natural skin-like finish, infused with chamomile flower extract, green tea extract, and bamboo extract. 100% agree it instantly locks in makeup and makes it look flawless. Refined fragrance profile featuring notes of bergamot and citrus. So thank you so much, Milani. I cannot wait to try this out. And I would try this. I was like, should I try this now? But I already have on some setting spray, and I want you guys to see the real result of this. But yeah, I'm super excited. Thank you so much. I mean, the packaging is unmatched. It's so pretty. And I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. So on today's agenda is I have to get ready because I'm going to Bible study. And then I'm gonna come home and start packing and get ready for my trip tomorrow. I'm so excited. God is so good. I really am so excited to go to Bible study, because if you're feeling distracted, chaotic, confused, or anything like that, I can guarantee you need to spend time with God, because a moment in his presence erases all of that, and this peace that passes all understanding, the peace that only he can give, comes upon you, and it's just wonderful. So I love being at church. I love being with my brothers and sisters in Christ there. Like, there is nothing like the feeling of leaving and just feeling Jesus and feeling empowered to tell other people about him and to live for him, because Jesus is coming back soon. And even if he does not come back in our lifetime, we're going to be standing before him, because we're all going to go one day. And I want to hear well done, and I want all of us to be there. And so I'm just so passionate about sharing Jesus just with the world and to everybody I love, because if you love somebody, you're going to tell them the truth.